Hi! I've got some animals that live in the forest. Now, not all these animals live in forests, some live in jungles, and most of them live generated in Australia. So I'm gonna start off with a wolf. Wolves are big dogs, and they live in packs, and they're probably the most bravest animals that I know of. A tiger, because they're really cool animals. You can find bunnies everywhere, even in New Zealand. The Mr. Slithering Serpent. Snakes aren't in New Zealand, they're in Australia, so that's where you can meet them. So we've got a bear. There's only one breed of bear in New Zealand, and that's a red panda. This is a monkey. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows what a monkey is. If you're lucky, you will get to see a kiwi. They come out at nighttime because they're nocturnals, and they're usually seen on the ground because they don't live in trees. And they're very, very cute. Bye!